Hi everyone, I'm Andrea Bouget, founder of Aromahead Institute, and in this video I want to show you a recipe for a bath salt that I love. And I called it, I fell down and hurt all over, because it is just the best bath salt if you have injured yourself. So you can certainly use it just for sore muscles or if you're achy, but in particular, let's say you twisted your ankle or fell off your bicycle or just had some kind of small injury and you want to take a nice hot bath to try to soothe the soreness. This is going to be great. So I have a 2-ounce glass jar here and I filled it with pink salt, pink Himalayan salt, just because I love it, but you could use any kind of salt. You could use Epsom salts or sea salts, whatever your personal preference. And I'm going to put some vanilla infused jojoba into the pink salts, and then I'm going to put the essential oils in. So the vanilla infused jojoba, first of all, the aroma of vanilla is so soothing, and I love to use it to reduce anxiety, to reduce tension. It's just so calming, that aroma. And I infused this jojoba myself. I just put vanilla bean pods in this jar, in this half gallon, and I put 6 of them in here and I just let them infuse for 2 weeks, and so it has this incredible aroma. And so that's the first step I'm going to take, is to put in 1 teaspoon. By the way, do you ever see these? They're little nesting, they're called nesting magnetic measuring spoons. They're great because I use measuring spoons a lot for cooking and for blending with essential oils, and they're always all together. Just a little side note. All right, so I'm going to put a teaspoon of this vanilla infused jojoba right into the bath salts. Just pour it right in. There we go. And then I'm going to put in 3 essential oils. Roman Chamomile, I'm going to put 3 drops in. And gosh, I love Roman Chamomile. It's so fruity. And if you've never seen the flower, it's beautiful. It's a white flower and absolutely stunning. Small little flowers, such a potent effect for reducing pain, inflammation, tightness. Absolutely gorgeous. So 3 drops right into the salts. And 1, 2, and we're getting a 3rd one. Come on. Sometimes you get a little air bubble in these, and when that happens, I just tap on the top a little bit, and then the drop usually comes right out. There we go, 3. All right. And then I'm going to put in 2 drops of frankincense. I love using frankincense for reducing pain, and if there is any inflammation, it's perfect. It's grounding, it's settling, it helps reduce tightness, tension, inflammation, soreness. Really good. So I'm going to put 2 drops of frankincense right into my bath salt, 1, 2. And then I'm going to put a drop of Rose Otto, Distilled Rose. And the reason that I'm using the rose is because, well, first of all, it's so nourishing for your heart. And if you just fell down and hurt all over, it's great to have an essential oil in your blend that's all about nourishment, all about soothing, all about the heart. But also it's actually very helpful to reduce inflammation. So if there's any swelling, this is great. So I'm just going to put 1 drop in. Actually, I got 2, but that's okay because there's some flexibility in the drops that you're using in the bath. And so I usually, in the bathtub, I usually use somewhere between 3 and 5, 6 drops like that for 1 bath. But sometimes I use just 1 drop. Just depends on my intention. But this is a medicinal blend because you've just gotten hurt. So as you can see, I'm stirring it up and mixing it really nicely. And I'm going to use this whole jar in the bath, in the tub. Now, if you wanted to make this blend for a child, let's say you have a 6-year-old or 7-year-old who fell down, got hurt, and is upset, and you want to make them a bath, just reduce the drops. I would go with about 2 drops of the Roman Chamomile, and then 1 drop each of frankincense and rose, and that would be plenty. You could even do 1 drop of each. It would be perfect. So you have your bath salt made now. It's that simple. You can always just whip it up right in the moment. And you can put the half of it into the tub. You could put the whole thing in the tub. Just depends how sensitive you are to oils and how strong you want the aroma and the effect to be. And just swish it around in the tub and put your body in there and soak up the healing. All right, well, I hope that you don't need it, but if you do, I hope it helps so much. Take care. Bye for now.